Hi guys, it's KK, Shirley's favorite sissy, and I'm taking over her YouTube channel again. Sissy, say hi to the people.
Hi people, how y'all doing?
Yes. So we're gonna do some workout. If you wanna look like me, or if you wanna look like her, join in, follow us. All right, guys. So we're done with our stretching. We did our little warm up off camera, and now we're about to get on to it. The hard stuff. You ready for the hard stuff?
Yes.
Flex. Let me see your muscles. Flex. Stay tuned. All right, you ready? Right back on your butt. 6-pound weight ball. Over, under. You're gonna do 10 of these. And you're gonna try to hold your balance. Balance up with you, okay? Hold your balance. Don't give up. Don't touch the ground. She's lazy, guys. She's lazy. How much was that?
I don't know.
And that was with the 6-pound weight ball. 6-pound weight ball. Max exercise. All right. Let's do this. Scissors. 1, 2, 3, 4. You gotta go down a little bit more. 5, 6, 7. Straight legs, straight. Okay. Take your 10-pound weight. Oof. You can't get like this overnight. Let's go. Go back. Ready? You're gonna go down. So you're gonna hold it like this, and you're gonna go all the way down, and it's gonna touch your back. Ready? Straight knees. 1, 2, 3. No. Pull it and go down. Don't pull it down, because then you're gonna cheat. Down. There you go. She's having a hard time, guys. Pull it. How long could you hold it? Let's see who can hold it the longest. Remember, guys, I'm taller than she is. Let's go. All right, you ready? Let's do the plank. This is called the plank. Ready? Up, like that. We're gonna hold it for 60 seconds. Have a sip of water, stay hydrated. Don't drink too much so you don't catch a cramp. This hand, gonna touch this. Oh Lord.
Okay.
She wanna be sexy, but she don't wanna put in the work. Ready? Go. Right there. This hand? Yeah. Good. Just like that. We're gonna do 50. 50. Ready? Go. Do like that. You don't have to go fast, you can go slow. One, back, like that. And then this one, touch your stomach. Okay. The next one, touch your stomach. Perfect. 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh Lord. They watching. Your YouTube people watching. All your followers on YouTube watching you be a little pussy. Oh Lord. Go. 1, 2. Go. Up. Butt up. There you go. 3, 4. One more, Shirley. One more. One good one. Come. Come, one more. Go. 5. See? Woo! Go, Shirley. Go, Shirley. Oh, Lord. Ready? You gotta go all the way down. Squat. Like you're sitting on a chair. Right? Right? Left. Right? There you go. No. Stay like you're sitting on a chair. There you go. Go. Stay watching. Don't stop. Go. There you go. Now stop. No. Not stop. Go back. Go back. All right. Now up. Down. There you go. You're gonna go up. And then you stop. Hold it. See my position? You look like you're sitting on a chair, but you're gonna hold it. Ready? Go. Don't give up. Never give up. So that helps your thighs and your calves and your bunda. Ready? Go. You're gonna go down and you're gonna touch your ankle. Then you're gonna go down and you're gonna touch your ankles. But you're gonna try to keep your back straight and like you're sitting on a toilet. You're ready to doo-doo. You gotta go. Go, Chris. Cross. There you go. Let's get it. Come. Let's get it, Shirley. Let's get it. Summertime coming. And you live in Florida, where all they want to do be a little sexy and wear a little two-piece. You live in Florida. Let's go. She coming back to Florida sexy, guys. Down. Down. There you go. Down. Go all the way down. And you go that. Touch your ankles. Touch your ankles. Touch your ankles. Touch your ankles. You good?
Yeah.
No rest for the worry. Just bend down. Stretch your back. Touch your toes. Don't bend your knee. All the way down, down, down. Touch your toes. Don't bend your knee. Touch your toes. Yes, good. Touch your toes again. There you go. Stretch. Stretch, stretch, stretch. So you can feel it on your arms. Stretch, stretch, stretch. All right. All right, guys. See? Come, Shirley. Squat in the front of your people so they can see you. Squat, squat, squat. Let them see you squat so they can see your leg muscles. Squat. All they see is fat, no muscles. It's fat. See, she could do that, but she can't work out for 10 minutes. She could do that, people, but she can't work out for 10 minutes. Do it, Shirley. Go down. Do a squat for the people. Live in person. Lift your hands so they can see your legs. See? Fat. Fat. You see this? Fat. It's shaking. It's shaking. You ain't supposed to shake. Okay. See me? Touch. Touch. You don't shake. Touch. Show the people. Break time over. Your legs all the way up. All the way up. Okay. Down, pull it, and then up. Down, pull it, and then up. Down, pull it, up. Good job. Down, pull it, up. Down, hold, hold, hold. No, I'm not holding your hands. Guys, I have the laziest sister ever. Yeah, but you gotta straighten your legs. There you go. Build up those muscles, girl. Down and then up. Down and then up. Perfect. Down. Up. Down. Up. Perfect. Perfect. You wanna do some yoga? Yoga. Feet up. All the way. All the way. Tuck your toes. All the way, all the way. All the way, all the way. Touch your toes.
Do your yoga by yourself.
I'm still up, Shirley. I'm still up. Let's go. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. And then you try to be straight. Point your toes. Up. Some more. She's done, guys. She's done.
I'm done.
Cheers.
That's
And you
right.
cheers for true?
Yes, I
You
am.
cheers for true? Lazy? I don't even use these. Lazy. Here. Put it on. Try to go as wide as you could. That's why it's tight. Go. Ooh, yeah, you feel it? Go. There you go. Yeah, you can do that. That's too easy for you. This is a 10-pound weight. Hold it. 2 hands. Go down and come back up. Let's go. There you go. Let's go. Keep going. Keep your feet down. Keep your bunda down. Go. Come up. There you go. Alright. Let's do the plank again. This time I'm gonna time her.
Yeah.
You ready? You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go.
Straight legs. There you go. Good job. No, no. Let's go. Let's go. You can do it. You can do it. I'm watching you. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Play time. Wait.
Guys.
Good night.
Where's the timer? I need to show the people what you did. I need to show them how long. How long?
Silent dishes. Kunyam gua. Bisa apa mui?
I'm gonna show them how long.
Good night.
I'm gonna show them how long you stayed up for, okay? That's it. That's seconds.
What?
You see that?
Guys, vai să le deșești. Până groasă va tu pentru.
You see? You see? Oh. Alright, guys. She's tired. Look. I'm sweating. She ain't even sweat. No sweat.
I'm sorry.
See? Sweat. I guess you can't really see it because the light's bad. But this fat. Look, 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 look. See? Go in. Go in. Push, push. Yeah. Push. Try to pull it. Pull it. Pull it. See? That's when you train and you work out. Look at her legs. Look at my leg. Go down, Shirley. Show the people. Show the people your legs. Show the people your legs, Shirley. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Workout with KK and the lazy one. Say something. Say something to your YouTubers.
Guys, thank you for sharing my video. Thank you all for watching, for support my channel.
Like, comment, subscribe. And if you don't want to have a hard time working out like this girl, don't get fat. She's fat, now she's trying to work out and she's lazy. Nah, she's not fat, guys. She's solid. My sister is solid. Alright, guys, like, comment, share,
Subscribe.
subscribe.